Looking for your soulmate? Are you trying to find true love? Let me help you. Years ago, I created the workshop, How to Find Your Soulmate. I help many women and men to find the partner that they were looking for. If you have been going from relationship to relationship without finding the committed partner that you are looking for, or your relationships don't last, or you are not able to find true love, let me help you. Register for the workshop, How to Find Your Soulmate. You will get there not only the information, I will coach you. I will show you what are the steps to find love, what you might be doing that it's holding you back. What do you need to do to really find the love that you want and deserve? Go to my website, judithmcosta.com, and you will see the next workshop, How to Find Your Soulmate. I'm waiting for you. Let's talk about love.